Let me give y'all a demo on something. Check this out. You see this here yellow work light that I got? LED. You see my yellow battery goes to my yellow tools, if you know what I mean? Check it out. This thing just slides right in here. Got a switch on the back. It's adjustable right here. Watch this. Let me take you outside and show you what this thing will do. All right, y'all. I'm going to switch this thing on. Look here. Just hit the switch. Look at this. This son of a gun will light up everything. I mean, look here. Look here. This sucker's bright, 6,000 lumens, and it plugs into your yellow battery, so you know it's gonna last a long time. Y'all, this thing's super bright. It's got an adjustable angle on it, and today it's less than $14 with free shipping. I don't know what it's gonna be tomorrow, so go and click that little orange shopping cart and get you one. That's all I got for now. Y'all have a good one.
Now you got it under $17 and you got free shipping. Let's go.